Looking for a new job can be kind of like starting a game of Monopoly. High hopes of building a real estate empire, or earning a higher salary, moving into a new field, or landing a job with your dream company are soon replaced by feelings of existential dread as the game, or job search, goes on and on and on. If you've already submitted several applications and haven't heard anything back, you might feel ready to pack up the game. Before you do, check out these tips to build momentum in your job search. Number 1, refine your goals. Don't spread yourself too thin. It might seem like you'll increase your odds of getting a call back by applying for many positions. Setting on a job goal helps you refine your search criteria and make sure your resume and social profiles all paint you as the perfect candidate. Number 2, define your strengths. What sets you apart from other candidates? Hone in on your background, knowledge, and skills, and make sure they're clearly displayed in your resume and cover letters. Number 3, address your weaknesses. It's painful to admit, but we all have them. What areas could you use improvement in? Can you start working on yourself now? Read a book, attend a seminar, or sign up for a class to meet your weaknesses head on and make yourself an even better candidate. Number 4, update your resume. Since you've refined your goals by now, make sure you update your resume to match them. And if you're not a graphic designer, use an online template to make your resume look good. Number 5, check your online presence. What can recruiters find out about you with a quick Google search? Make sure you're showing your best self online. Job searching is about more than filling out applications. Keep your head in the game by taking a few minutes to look at each of these areas to see where you can improve your odds of winning your dream job.